All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chrysler 300. Folks, this is the limited edition with 36,000 miles, beautiful silver with black leather interior, AM FM stereo system, backup camera, heated seats, super nice. And best of all, minimal damage on the body. Your front bumper looks fabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger rim looks pretty darn good. Does have some curving, we'll say 3, 6, about 9 inches right there. And your tire thread, which is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. Your tire thread is just under 7/32. Yep, just under 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. It looks good. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks fabulous. Does have a powered seat. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more detailed push start system. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. You got your heated seats, your heated steering. Looks fabulous. You got all your little gadgets and gizmos. You got, it's got vented seats. Huh. That's awesome. Got your your climate controls right down below it is dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 36,906. All right, open up the trunk. Beautiful. Keep it moving. Rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders coming around. Your rear bumper looks fabulous. Your rear trunk space looks good. Does have a spare tire here with some tools, and then I did tuck away your owner's manuals right back there. This quarter here looks nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing here. 3, 6, I'll say 10 or more. Just to engulf it all. Your tire thread back here is over 7/32. This door looks pretty good. The rear passenger seat, the other side of it, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents and rear heated seats, which is pretty awesome. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks really awesome. Front front passenger rim looks good. I don't see curbing here. Your tire thread is just a hair under 7/32. Lights are working, fog lights are working. This car is freaking hard on central, folks. 2018 Chrysler 300. Limited edition with 36,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.